Okay, 5th grade, lesson 117. This is on dividing a decimal number by a whole number. Now, let's just quickly review, okay? When I have a decimal number,
okay,
plus, let's do 20.8. How would I line that up if I was doing adding?
you would do it.
We're just doing a quick review.
Vertically is.
Yes, vertically.
Yeah, I would do it like that.
And what would you put?
You line up the decimals.
Okay, so I'm going to do 5.4 plus
20.8.
And
And then you could fill in the extra
and that
spot.
was 0. Very good. And then we would just add that, okay? And what would I do after I added? What would I do with my decimal?
You would slide it down.
Very good. So our answer would be whatever it is, and plus a decimal right here. We're just doing a review, right?
Okay.
All right. Now, what if we were doing minus?
Same thing.
Same thing. Very good. Okay. Now, when we are doing a multiplication, what would happen?
We would have to put the smaller one on bottom, right?
Yep. So let's do 20.8 times.
And then you don't have to
Let's
line
make
up the
our
decimal.
decimal here just to make things harder. Okay?
Okay.
What would I do?
You wouldn't have to line up the decimals.
You don't have to line up the decimal. So I'm just going to line up our numbers and put my decimal here. I would work it.
Okay.
And I'm just going to insert strange numbers. Okay?
Is that the answer?
No.
Okay.
Okay? And what would I do when I'm multiplying
You
decimals?
would count behind it, right?
Very good.
And then
One, two, three. So what would I do?
And you go 1, 2, 3 in the bottom and put the decimal.
Very good. I'll start at the right and go 1, 2, 3. So that would be our answer, 55.555. Okay? Very good. Got it?
Okay.
All right, now, dividing decimals is what the lesson's on. We just wanted to do a quick review before we did that, okay? Now, when you're dividing decimals, what I want you to do is I'm going to say, what's a good one?
60.7.
No, I've got to do what something. I'll just do the ones in the book. And we'll do something in a minute later. Okay? Let's say I had.
That's money, not a decimal number.
Yep. It's money or decimal. They're both. Yeah. A lot of times decimal numbers are money. Sometimes decimal numbers are like if you're timing something.
Yeah.
5 seconds and 6 milliseconds would be 5.6.
Yeah.
No. Okay, so it could be either. All right.
Okay.
The rule is to slide this decimal up.
Up.
Okay, do you remember that?
Yes.
Okay, so let's review this. How would I do this problem?
You
3
goes into
0
several times.
0 times 3 is 0. Bring down my 1.
What's that little dot under the $sign?
Minus.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. 3 goes into 1.
1. 0 times?
0 times. 0 times 3 is 0. 1. Bring down my 2. 3 goes into 12.
4 times.
Very good.
Count
And then that means I'm
evenly.
done. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. We subtract and we get a 0. We're done. Very good. Okay, so you see what our answer is?
0.04.
So this would be like if I bought little bitty pieces of gum, 3 of them for 4 cents. Each of them were 4 cents times 3 would be 12 cents. Got it? See how that would work?
Yeah.
All right, let's do another one.
Okay.
Okay, go for it. What's the first
Do I
step?
write it down?
No, not yet. First step?
2 goes into 4.
No,
2.
first step. What's your very first step?
Slide it up.
So many people forget to do the decimal afterwards, so I always do it before.
Okay.
If you notice there's a decimal here, go and slide it up.
Okay.
Okay? 2 going to 4.
2 times. 0.
You
8.
just don't pay attention to the decimal once
4
you're in
times?
the problem. Times 2 is 8. Perfect. 2.4 is our answer. Okay, try this one.
Slap the decimal.
Good job.
3 goes into 0 0 times.
Okay.
And then 3 goes into 4 1 time. 3 goes into 12 4 times.
Perfect. Answer is 0.14. Excellent job. Okay, now we'll just keep doing this over and over and over. Let's do a harder one. Now, we're going to do it one way, and then I'm going to show you in just a minute another way.
We can slide up the decimal.
Slide up the decimal.
Okay, 0 times.
3 goes into 0, 0 times.
Couldn't we take out all the zeros and just do 24?
So, yes, exactly what we're going to do. So, I'm going to leave my decimal here, and we're going to work with this number.
3 goes into 2, 0
No,
times.
3 goes into 24.
Oh.
Because 3 won't go into 2.
Yeah. 8 times?
8 times. Should I put the 8 here or 8 here?
At the very end.
Very end. Very good. Because we're doing all of this number, not just 2. If we were doing just 2, we'd put it here. Right?
Yeah.
So 8 times 3 is
24.
24. We get 0. So what should we do with this place, and this place? What?
Zeros.
Zeros. Very good.
And it would have been the same answer if we did zeros?
Same exact answer if we did zeros. Got it?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, that is lesson 117. Wow.